And here we are at the York High School car show, and of course it's raining. There's hardly anybody here because it's been raining all night, and it's raining now. I'm telling you, we've had a bout of rain. It's ridiculous. I gotta keep my camera tilted down because the lens is getting all wet. Been owned since '66. I brought my Explorer down. Oh, yeah, there is good. Here's George's pickup and HRB's 32. And the sweet Oldsmobile. Yeah, it might stop raining in December, turn to snow. Hey, a tall T in Massachusetts. It stopped raining. Oh, it's got a little small block Ford in it. Reversed exhaust headers. Nice RS 69. Houndstooth interior and all. Last year these fields were full. I mean, I think usually pull about 600-700 cars normally. Shelby Lancer, turbocharged. Here's Flippin' Customs. This is his latest. He lives right down the road from me. 2 Fieros. GT350, that's nice. Darth Vader fan. 1987 Toyota 4Runner. Wow, that thing is spotless.
That's a 2019 though.
Yeah, 350. That's what Dick used to have.
Yeah, but his was a 20.
A Pacer. Fishbowl. What do you think? This thing's in good shape. Pacer DL, never seen one. Never heard of one. There's a blower motor in this wagon. That's a nice Cutlass. Cutlass SX. Never heard of this one either. SX conversion. Never heard of it. That is wild. I never heard of it. It's a performance package they put on them. 280Z. Thank God they're not playing real loud music.
Billy, you got more footage of this thing than you can freaking stack.
All
They
right.
don't get entertainment. They're with the parents and they're there. Well, I wish they'd tell me something about
Yeah.
All right,
no,
Billy.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. How's
Yeah.
that little fellow doing?
Pretty good.
Malibu still looks good. Good shape.
Oh my gosh. He's
Oh, I know.
They're walking this
Yes.
side of the grass.
Yes, thank God.
Yeah, we're still here.
I keep sending those videos in on your handle. It's funny to hear you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we were just talking to a guy I used to work with that we get notices whenever somebody passes away in our old shop where we used to work, the Navy Yard, and there was 6 in one day last week. Nice Nova. Looks like gunkies.
That wouldn't even fit in the garage.
A DeVille. No, I don't think. Yeah, but it would fit in ours, but not the other ones. Nice Falcon. This is an AC. This isn't a Cobra. This is an AC. Wow. You don't see many of these. Wow. Here's Danny's. This thing's gorgeous. Here's Amy. How you doing, Amy?
Watch out, that guy taking the pictures, Mike. Take a picture of you.
Have a good day.
You see that old convertible over there?
Our dog was 18. Yeah, so we put her in a stroller.
Oh, he has a stroller, playpen, and everything.
Yep.
Nice goat.
Great color.
Nope, he is.
Well.
Six-back.
This is my second car.
Another nice goat. 67. Tri-power. Henry Miller's brother had one identical to this for years. He even had the headrest.
Look at this.
Me either. Had to be the factory.
That's awesome.
Nice 57 four-door beach car.
Maybe just a little. But he's actually working on getting it all together. He's got his other motor there. He's got his motor.
Here's Papa's 57. Sun Valley, Mercury, 54. Four-door 56 for sale.
Car parts.
Oh, okay. No, he's selling car parts.
You never saw that?
Nice gasser.
No, I've never
I think those are old.
No, that's the filter's new.
No, it seems to me it's behind your dad.
Really? I've seen it before. That's the first time I saw one like that.
Take a picture. And then you can ask people to track.
Yeah.
Got the fender well headers and all.
Look at it, it's so old, it's got.
Wow.
They'll probably come back with it soon.
Boy, that's nice. You don't see these too often.
Also, now they actually go back to the parking pass thing here.
Yeah, because I'm sure the friggin' they probably won't do numbers on the price.
Is it 55?
He took it out for a ride, and he named the three things.
Nice 56.
5-speed. So, you know, my head was full. But he said, that was moving just a little bit. Ride slow. Gotta check these things out. These things.
Well, that's great. From Montclair.
Getting built up. Out of the bucket.
Whoops, sorry.
All right.
Oh, go ahead.
Do I get like the card first so that I know the year and the model?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna remember.
Oh, me either.
Oh, sure.
Nice T-bird. Nice 56. Guy looks awful black up that way. I start hurrying up before we get soaked. It's the Mustang, though.
That's my wife. Oh, so she knows what she wants? Yes.
This is the same body style as Dick Solo.
I had an EcoBoost that could just 550. She loved it because she could drive it.
Yes.
It was automatic.
That's the
And
thing.
I traded it for a 16 350, and she was very upset because he said, "Well, Adam says it's a stick." She was,
He hits them all, this guy.
oh, I got permission for that.
Yeah, there you go. She can't drive that either. She can't drive a stick. But she's still driving.
Okay.
She wants to be a asset. That's all she wants.
Yep.
Wait.
Which one?
Always the way around something.
I don't think they do.
One of 70 is set on the plates.
On this? Yeah.
See?
Hmm.
It's got a stiffness suspension. It's got hopped up.
There's a dealer-only car show.
It's got a higher horsepower, 455.
69 Roadrunner Indy
Brother Dick,
motor.
the Roadrunner cocktail
It had different designations.
There's a one-off dealer-only. Yeah, they got the little Roadrunner.
446 back, 6 barrel. This is a nice duster. Nicer than showroom. Here's the European car row.
Who's in there?
I can't get them all. It's gonna try to rush before the rain hits again. Looks like it's gonna be a real one this time.
Had a lot
When
of
it picked itself up. Look at, he's been rolled over. See this thing?
Yeah.
Well, they're all actually building there because that was when these are the last when they were building.
Like that. Like that.
That's sharp. Yeah. It's great for just. Text you to me.
How you doing?
Text you. Okay. 28. You're in Crux. All right, we'll see you, Mike. Yep, thank you.
There's the Asian row. Japanese cars. Well, not all. Oh, here comes the rain.
If I was here, he's got all he would have turned the wheel.
Wow, 67, 427. Yeah. It's a different color. I haven't seen one of
That's
these.
like a platinum.
Wow.
The only thing really is that. I like the back down.
That's a pearl silver.
Well, look right on the sheet and you can tell exactly.
Silver flare metallic. That's different. Randy bought that 37. Wow.
He's like, yeah, that's not a problem.
He was going to try it out last weekend. I guess he bought it. Look at this thing.
Randy, it's too shiny. Get that fucking thing away.
Wow.
Really? Really?
Boy, you did buy it, huh?
I did.
Very nice.
Wow.
Has John sat in it yet?
I drove with him.
Oh, okay.
He says he'll fit perfect when we go to Syracuse.
Oh, okay.
He's got Randy, just keep the clean dust off my patina. That's all I ask.
So how much track space do you have? That's plenty.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of room for Syracuse.
Yeah.
In fact, I'll have you haul some of my stuff.
Okay. Absolutely.
And it rained.
You.
Hey Spike, it's raining.
Hey, buddy.
He says, why is it raining? Huh? All it does is rain.
Sure.
Oh, it's nice underneath here.
Yeah.
It's too bad you're in the
I was thinking about that.
Yeah, they're easy.
under an umbrella here. It's raining.
I say that. I didn't do it.
Yeah, Jed just came in with the sun coupe.
Lickety split done. And, we'll be in touch, basically, all right? Thank you, man. I feel bad. I feel bad.
Alright. Nice. I love this thing. This is Alan's. One of his many cars. Wow.
Yeah.
Put the Hellcat in there.
And they're the original, like, 10? Like,
No, those are all.
Oh, it's got the whole Hellcat interior in it and everything.
Yeah. Hey, when you're done over there, come on over.
Wow.
I got my ceramics. I got my ceramic in the car and everything. I'm ready. It's supposed to be coated on the 18th. Nice.
They transplanted a complete Hellcat into this Charger.
Rick's Sereno's hung up there. Here. Yeah. So they would coat his Corvette he just bought.
Straight as an arrow.
Working on Father's Day. What kind of shit is that? Where's your boy? How'd you get Dave to bring his car out in the rain?
And then Dave called me this morning. He says, "Hey, we're going for breakfast over in Berwick. Come on." I was going to come anyway, but
That Charger's amazing.
we were in the pouring rain all the way to
I like the monochromatic style. The bumpers have been painted, everything.
I went to the shop this morning. I pulled the Barracuda out, and I was telling Chris, and I was telling him, as soon as I pulled out, man, I backed out. He just started pouring. I'm like,
on 6 this morning. Well, no, I got
More and more cars coming in between the showers. It's amazing.
it's blowing over, so it wasn't too bad, but I mean, he did get.
Hi, Kate.
Nice 76 Trans Am.
That wood looks like it's like
ZL1. That's a fire breather. You open the hood, take a look at it.
Oh, but yeah, let me back up a little bit. All right. It's not.
The youngest driver.
Yeah. billable hours.
It is. It's awesome.
Oh.
Dad, get a picture. Thank you.
Just the right size for had a little trouble seeing over the hood. A little trouble seeing over the hood.
Great Britain.
29 Chevy. 10.5. Yeah, it is.
Customized. It is.
Full seat. Looks like a C10 Chevy.
Look at his Samuel Adams shifter. That's his shift.
His flippin' customize, his other one.
Look at the copper tube and with the silk clock.
I love it.
This is what it was. That was in 2020. So it's a project, work in progress.
Brand new.
Look at his skins.
Pro Street truck coming in. Can't believe this car's still coming in.
Is that a weird car? No. Dude, it looks sick.
They used to make strictly dirt bikes. Now they got road bikes, they got everything. Oh, that's nice. I feel ashamed now Randy brought his.
Yeah.